Hi, this is Doug Perkowski with OC3 Entertainment, the makers of the FaceFX facial animation software. I'm here to tell the Ogre community about a tool that we've developed for generating Ogre skeleton, mesh, scene, and material files from FBX Files. It's an open source tool. The source code's available on Bitbucket, and the executable precompiled versions are available as part of the FaceFX Studio 2013 No Save Evaluation installer, which is currently in beta and up on our website. So how it works is simple. We can delete these for now, and you would just drag an FBX file onto the executable, and it's going to generate those files. It's also going to look in the directory for base FBX file at animation name.fbx files, and it's going to add those animations to the skeleton and mesh files. To the skeleton if it's a bones animation, to the mesh file if it's a morph target animation. So it's a very simple pipeline which mimics the Unity's FBX pipeline for organizing your animations and exporting them all into the corresponding Ogre files. There's more options available from the command line utility. If you just start it up, you can see all of the options that it supports, but dragging the FBX file on works as well. We're very happy with what this has done to FaceFX. It's drastically simplified the pipeline for creating a talking character. What used to be a several-step process, which was different in each animation package and for bones and for morph targets, has now become simply a drag FBX file onto FaceFX Studio and then let FaceFX Studio do the work. The one thing we need is a batch export text file that just tells us what the bone poses and frame numbers are in that FBX file that we can export. The great thing is, whether they're bone poses or morph targets, it's the same thing. Just on these frames, set keys for your character so that he opens his mouth, makes the W shape, and so forth. And we can take that information and get you all the way to the point where you're just dragging files onto FaceFX Studio, selecting audio files to make your character talk. So we've made our pipeline much simpler, and we hope this tool will be useful for making your pipeline a lot simpler, whether you're making a game or you've got another type of tool. So we will ask that you download the FaceFX evaluation installer and check this out for yourself. If you've got FBX files that break the utility, that cause crashes, or that don't export correctly, we'd like to hear about it. So especially while we're in beta here for the next couple of weeks, please take a look and let us know what you think. Here's FaceFX again. Once you've generated the character, you just need to select an audio file, which we'll do here. And as you can see, we've got a talking character ready to go.
Welcome to FaceFX Studio.
Zoom in a little bit, and we can select automatically created workspaces. So you can move his head around, move his eyes around, blinks, and so forth. He's got a face graph. All the complexities of using the FaceFX software have sort of been abstracted away, so now you can just enjoy making your character talk. That's all, so we hope this is useful, and let us know your feedback.